Hi there. In this video, we will show you how to create a website footer using static blocks built with the Elementor page builder. Create a professional and engaging footer that leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram channels, and visit our website. Footer is the ultimate solution for your website's bottom section, displayed on every page, giving your audience quick and easy access to all the important information they need. This versatile area can be used to showcase your contact details, secondary navigation menus, and social media widgets, but the possibilities are endless with the ability to include anything you want to keep your audience engaged. With the range of widgets and design options available in XStore, you can fully maximize the potential of your website's footer. There are few ways to create a footer, but the basic concept is to add content to the footer section of your website through the Appearance, Widgets menu, and modify the layout and styling through the theme options. Footer settings. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a footer using a static block and the Elementor page builder. This method is currently the most popular, and our latest demo versions showcase visually appealing, clear, and well-organized footers that have been created using this method. Once you have chosen the method for creating your footer, ensure that the option for static blocks is enabled in Theme Options General. Additionally, we suggest setting the following configurations in Theme Options, Footer section. Find Footer Layout and Footer Columns. Select one, then go to Footer Styling, find Background Color, and change it to Transparent. Paddings for top and bottom will be 0 pixels. This will prevent the need to return to Theme Options, Footer later. Using the Elementor editor, you can then design the layout, set colors, and adjust the padding for your footer. Let's go to the dashboard, select Elementor, and under Post Types, enable the editor for static blocks. Then, access the static block section, create a new block by clicking Add New, and enter a title before publishing. This block can then be edited using the Elementor page builder. You can create a footer layout from scratch by adding sections, columns, and any of the available elements. Additionally, we offer over 60 of our own XStore widgets. Perhaps the simplest solution would be to use one of our pre-made demo blocks and customize it to suit your needs. Our XStudio has a wide selection of pre-made blocks. You'll easily recognize our logo symbol X among the icons in the editor. If you see a smaller number of icons, you'll need to enable XStudio through Theme Options General. XStudio offers a vast collection of over 700 blocks to enhance your website's design and functionality. We will filter the search for footer, and currently there are more than 50 available blocks. By hovering over one of them and clicking Preview, you can see how the content will appear on a live website. There are also 3 viewing modes available: desktop, tablet, and mobile device. After clicking the Insert button, the content will be added to your static block. Change the demonstration text and links to your own, as you have the flexibility to modify any element to suit your needs and achieve your desired outcome. You can even import multiple blocks from the studio and combine them for more diversity. After editing, press Update to save the changes made to the static block's content. It's time to assign the static block as the footer for the website. To do this, navigate to Appearance, Widgets. This window may appear differently for you, as in our case, the option for the classic widgets panel is currently enabled in the Theme Options General. Find the Footer Column 1 widget area, then add the 8 theme static block widget and select the static block. Now you can view the result on the front end. In order to make changes to the content or design of the footer, please edit the static block. If the changes do not appear on the front end, ensure that the static block's cache option in Theme Options, Speed Optimization, is turned off. It is recommended to enable caching options only after the editing process is completed. Sometimes it may be necessary to set a specific footer or turn off the footer for only a certain page. To do this, navigate to the dashboard, Pages. Click on the page name to open the editor. Find the Theme, Layout Options section. Footer and per Footer tab, select Use Custom Footer for this page or post, and choose the desired static block from the list. Now you can make your website stand out from the competition with a unique and visually appealing footer designed using static blocks and the Elementor page builder. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.